First, go to Google Spreadsheets and create a sheet with the column titled Prospect URL. Add all user URLs in that column, and then download the file in CSV. Next, go on the Promptmate dashboard and click Add Query. As an input, choose and click on CSV, which will allow you to select and upload the CSV file you just generated. Go ahead and select it. Once you upload it, go ahead and click Save and Add Prompts. Then click on Add Data Extender, and in the Extender window, choose LinkedIn Profile Extender, then under Profile URL Input Fields, and then Prospect URL. Then click Save and Test Data Extender. The prompt for this template is already in place for you. If you don't want to change anything to it, go ahead and click Save and Test. Promptmate will be then processing your prompt result. Once it is ready, if you're happy with the desired result, go ahead and click Run Query, which will bulk process your prompt for all the URLs on your CSV. Once that your query is ready for download, you can customize the columns for your downloadable file. Feel free to choose the ones you would like to have, and then click Export, Download CSV. The CSV generated by Promptmate will contain a personalized short and warm message for each one of your LinkedIn contacts. All you have to do is copy the message, click on the user URL, and then copy-paste and send the message to each one of them. You can do this for all your leads, thanks to Promptmate in a few minutes, no matter how long your lead list is. Promptmate can take the challenge. Happy prompting and prospecting. See you in the next video.